Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea, the setup and trade plan for Thursday, September 13th, 2018. Today's featured trade will be Corning, GLW, Glassworks. As you can see, Corning has been in a uptrend here since the 1st of July, end of June, and put in a strong run up, and then has consolidated here for a month and a half. However, we are now showing some sign of life with even a let's call it a reasonably short-term bullish trend that's increasing here. And now on Wednesday we printed a bullish engulfing of a bearish candle there, testing the breakout. We'll be looking for a breakout. There's not a lot of overhead hang. This is the only overhead action going back for years. So I will be looking for a breakout entry using fib extensions of this run as the target, since we did a 23.6 pullback here on the on this consolidation pullback, profit taking. I'll be looking for a 38.2 extension and then a 61.8 extension as my two targets. I will be using a stop protected by basically three levels. Protected by this breakout level. After we get through that, protected by this level that provided resistance, support, resistance, resistance over in here, and then third, this support that was resistance over in here and support recently. So I'll have three levels of protection for that stop, and that's what we'll be looking at. That is going to make it a little bit close, maybe, so that's going to be, let's call it a 3% stop and almost 8% for the first target. But let's see if we can't plan out a trade here for this. Let's move this over so I will be able to see. Okay, as you can see, Glassworks reported the end of July, so we still have a couple months left. Well, we have at least a month and change. Today's the 13th, month and a couple weeks. We've got 5 bullish indications and only 1 bearish condition on this setup. We've got tons of liquidity, almost $177 million worth of stock traded per day. We did have that bullish engulf, which is not registering here, and we have this quasi J hook, but certainly a consolidation setup here. So let's go ahead and plan this. Let's call that one entry. Oh, let's tighten it up just a touch. Oh, 34. Let's call it 34.25. That'd be a dime above that breakout level. With the stop down there, that second protection is 33, or that third protection is 33.27. Let's call it 33.22. I'll use 25 since it's the entry number I used. And that first target is up here about, let's call it 36.90. And that second target is up there about, 38.60. It says we can do 150 shares. Let's see what that does for us in terms of position size. That's almost a 5% position size. I hate to go that big. Let's look at 130 shares. That doesn't help much, does it? Let's take it down to okay, 120 shares gets us under 4%. We only have $120 of risk if we're stopped out, but of course we've only got 120 shares to work with. It is a almost 7.75% gain here at that first target, which does give us 2.65 to 1. If we had to sell the entire position at this first target, up in here, you would make $318, which is not quite our trade goal. In fact, to make our trade goal, we have to get up to 8.5% basically. So, a little bit above that. So let's go ahead and say we sell half of the position at that level, hang on to the rest, of course having moved our stop up. On that second half of the trade, we'd pick up almost 13%. That'd give us over a 10% trade overall, a 3.5 to 1 reward to the initial risk ratio, and $420 in profit. So that will be our trade idea for today. Please evaluate this against your view of the market, your trading style, rules, and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe down below. And we hope to see you in the trading room.